X10DR Elite with rooftop gateway, radio check at 400 metres, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Coming in loud and clear. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is X10DR Elite with rooftop gateway, radio check at 500 metres, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hearing you loud and clear. Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is X10DR Elite with rooftop gateway at 600 metres, radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sounding nice and clear. Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is X10DR Elite with rooftop gateway doing radio check. We're now 700 metres, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
X10DR Elite with rooftop gateway. You're coming in loud and clear at 700 metres. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is X10DR Elite with rooftop gateway and dual handset configuration, 700 metres, radio check. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is the second handset talking back on the dual handset configuration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.